Hi everybody, so just a couple more examples with exponents and multiplication properties. So on this example we have a product and we are raising it to a power. And if you remember from yesterday's lesson, when we have a product being raised to a power, we're going to take the exponents on the inside and multiply them by the exponent on the outside. So the first thing is, remember that there's an exponent of a 1 there even though we don't see it. So when we raise a power to a power or a product to a power, we're going to take the 3 and then multiply 1 by 2 to get 3 squared, and a to the 4 times 2, which is 8. Now I will tell you that a common mistake is to forget that there's an exponent here and just leave that as a 3 and forget to put the exponent of a 2. You have to remember there's a 1 here. So to fully simplify, 3 squared is 9a to the 8th power. So let's try one more example. Over here, we have a product being raised to a power. So again, remembering that there's a 1 there even though we don't see it, we have 4 and then 1 times 3 is 3. And then we have an x, 5 times 3 is 15. And if we think about further simplifying, 4 cubed is like saying 4 times 4 times 4, or 16 times 4, which is 64. So we can simplify 64x to the 15th power on that one. So if we try to from our worksheet, if we look at 23, we're raising a power to a power here. We're going to keep the k and multiply 3 times 4 to get 12. And if we look at number 26, this is kind of like the examples that we just did at the bottom. Remembering there's an exponent of a 1 here. We have 2, and then 1 times 4 is 4. And b squared, so b and then 2 times 4 is 8. And we can go one step further. 2 to the 4th is like saying 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, or 4 times 4, or 16. So we have 16b to the 8th power. And that's it.